7:03. And this goes until 10, so you can only imagine how many people are actually going to show up. Oh my gosh. The GT4 RS. Woo! So, yeah, we might need to get 392.
No.
We might need to. We got the 392. We got the Banana Corvette. Quite literally the Banana Corvette. This is an SXT. They got custom emblems. We got a WRX. Look at that. Look at that color scheme. It's crazy. We got another Challenger coming in here. Yeah, we got some crazy things going on. We got this Corvette. There's another Corvette that was over there. There's like a small amount of Mopar vehicles. I mean, you can see right there. We got that Challenger. We got that RT. We got 2 Chargers over there. We got, I think, 2 or 3 more. No, actually, I think there's 2 or 3 more Challengers over here as well. Yeah, right over there you can see there's another Charger. There's a lot going on. It's 7:24. This event is till 10. There's some crazy builds right now. There's an R34. I don't know if I can get a good picture of that. And literally across from it, we got a GT4 RS, which there's some crazy builds. Like right down the street from that, got an AMG. Which I'll get probably better pictures, but if I were to have to count how many Mustangs that are here, I'd probably be up to 20 maybe. But since we're VIP, we got our free shirt. I already got one on, but this other one. Oh. Yeah, there's a lot of vendors out here. So, look at these. Yeah, we got more Challengers coming in, but these BMWs look amazing. We got the Halos, red Halos. We got 2 white Challengers right here. We got this one. I believe that one's an SXT. And I believe that one's an RT.
That's what I will not do.
Yeah, that is an RT. Oh, yeah, no, I don't really like other place like that. No. We got 2 Mustangs. These are all black. That's nice. The Nissan Z. There's a few Zs here. Got a little Bronco action. There's a lot of Camaros. I realized that. Oh, we got that nice Corvette down there. Oh, wow. This is crazy. Yeah, so this is kind of developed into more of a block party than a car meet. We have 4. Yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there might be 7. No, so there's just 6 Mustangs over here. There's probably about like 30 more. Like, we got to do a Mustang count by the end of this. So, it's crazy. You know, look, that Camaro over there has got nice arrows too.
Make sure he pays.
And then we got another Porsche. Or is that another Porsche? Yes, that's beautiful. So it's getting a little bit later. It's dark now. It's 8:30. We're getting. Oh god, there's a lot going on. So it was originally gonna be like 300 people, but we're looking at like 600, maybe 700 people. It's pretty bad. You got anything to say about it? Okay, hopefully she says she's cold. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a lot going on. We just had another challenge to pull up too, and we have a whole group of bikes right here. But it's just there's no lighting in some of these areas, so none of these cars are getting attention like they should. But it is 8:55, and nothing has changed. It's gotten worse, but it is crazy. So one of the guys that's running this is supposed to be on the news, but I have no idea where that's going down there. It's 9:51. We're about to leave. People just got their trophies, and it's crazy.